Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's solve a Leetcode problem today. Today, let's solve an easy problem number 13, Roman to integer. Compared with the Leetcode problem 12, integer to Roman. Yeah, this is the easy one because this is easy to think about and the structure of the symbol to values is easy. Now let's try to solve it. As we can see, there are symbols like I to 1, V to 5, X to 10. So basically, I'm going to use a loop, only one loop to solve it. But there are some edge cases. Let me explain an example. If we are going to use a loop, for example, if we have IV, so for I, we have a map I to 1, so here is 1. So V is 5, it's plus 5. As we already know, this is not the right answer because the right answer is 4. For example, if we have a string v and I, so first we go to v, we find v is 5, so it is 5. And then I is 1, I equals 1, because here is a map of simple and values. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. So this is okay. But for this one, if we use our loop, only a loop, it will equal to 4. This is not the right answer. But here we have a trick. If we just use it to plus it to 6, we must minus a value to let it equal to 4. Yeah, so here is a check. We need to check if this character, is bigger than the previous character. If it is bigger than the previous character, we need to minus 2 times. 2 times this value. So here, this value is to 1, 2 times 1. So why 2? Because here we've already plus 1i, but actually we need to minus I. For example, this v already plus I, but actually we need to v minus I. So what should we do? We should minus 2i. So that is the idea of the algorithm. We have to use a structure. First we plus, and we have a check. If it is bigger than the previous character, we need to minus 2 times the previous character mapped to the value. It is 1. Now let's try to solve it. Yeah, as I said, we need a dictionary. So this dictionary is much easier than the previous number 12. And we also need k-value pairs. So this is easier. I equals to 1 and v equals to v to 5 and x. Yeah, we don't need to define IVVI. As you can see, it already explained to you what it is, but we don't need it because in our algorithm. So for this kind of question, I think everybody can solve it, but maybe somebody cannot solve it in the easiest way, the simplest way. Yeah. So that is why we don't need because we use our this kind of algorithm to minus 2, so we don't need that. So x is 10, L to 50, C to 100. Yeah, we have to write. This is most people don't like it, but we have to put it like this structure. It seems that we have to copy it from there to here. Yeah, and D M. Yeah, we finished. So we finished the initialization of the data structure of a dictionary because we needed to find the value k2 value pairs. So here we can get our result. So this for the s, it is more than and equal to 1. So here we can first get our first value. The first value will be d. Let's use d because we wanted to get the integer. Yeah, let's use d. So the value will be ds0. So what is ds0? For example, here this 0 is I, so di equals to 1. So the result here is 1. Yeah. and we can use the loop directly for I in range len s. As I already told, we can just need to use result plus this value d si one by one. But before we plus it, we need to check if there are counter cases. If we can check it after that even. So if si, because it is starting from 1 here, we've already defined the rest as the first one. So for I, it will go to from the second one. So here is 1. If si more than si minus 1, so here will be the dictionary d, and here will also be the dictionary. If dsi more than dsi minus 1, result should minus 2 times dsi minus 1, as I already explained. And here we can simply get the result. Let's first run it to check if it is right. As you can see, it is right. Now it's basically the entire code. Now let's submit it to check if it is okay. As you can see, yes, it does. It is around 93% in all submissions. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. Thank you for watching.